So in the box I got from work, these were the 4 items I had in it. The Corsair Vengeance Pro, 216GB cards. We had the Samsung 970 EVO SSD card with 500GB. The hard drive came in bubble wrap, which I love. The Seagate Barracuda 2TB compute. Let's see that better. And then, last but not least, the CPU cooler, the Captain 240 Pro V2. Package number 2 brought along the X570 Extreme 4 motherboard. And this looks like a bad boy. Very pretty. And for all the computer nerds, we're going to give you some stats. After removing the packing bubbles, we have our Newegg shipment of awesomeness. We have the Ryzen 7 CPU, more specifically, the AMD Ryzen 7 3700X 8-core 16-thread processor. And we also have the NT-H1 3.5 gram thermal paste. Another package that came in is my MSI GeForce RTX 2060 Super graphics card. Excitingly, our second to last piece is the Cooler Master MWE 80 Plus Gold 650 power supply with 5 years of warranty because we protect our stuff. Okay, so we finally got the case. It should have been one of the first parts I ordered, but the one I wanted wasn't in stock, so I had to wait, and it was actually predicted to be in stock in like the middle of August, and tomorrow's the 1st of August, so it turned out pretty well. I got the, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, the Landcool 2. I got the white case, I didn't get the black one. The white one looked cooler to me, plus it was cheaper. So it's time to open this bad boy. And funny story, I shipped it to my old house that's like 5 minutes away, and I swear I put this address in. I didn't. The lady was very nice. I'm like, thank God. Please call me back, because I left a note on the front door. I was like, oh, this could be bad. Because if it was USPS, they would still be reverting my mail to me, but it was FedEx, so different story. This is a bad boy. I should probably turn it sideways. That would be smart. Alright. You guys won't be able to see this for a little bit. You can come out, please. It's a lot more difficult to get this out than I thought. That's what he said. She said. I don't know. Yeah, I'll turn it upside down. That's smart. We're not the brightest sometimes. This is a beautiful case. One piece. Wow. Look at this bad boy. Oh yeah, this is close. Here we have the case. I'll show you. Bring this over here. This is the beautiful case. Got the USB ports up here. And the siding. Nice and clear. This is gorgeous. Got vents in the back. And the hole, you can see that. This is beautiful.
So the CPU goes here, your processor goes here, your RAMs take up these 4. Each motherboard will tell you which 2 are mated together, so there's generally 4 slots, but 2 of them work better with each one. So when you get 2 sticks of RAM, you put the 2 and the 2 that are mated. This one happens to be the first 2, so we'll stick them in there. Careful fit, and then that will take a little bit of force. So before you put in the RAM, you want to always make sure that the latches are off. This side doesn't come off, so.
Okay.
And then, in case you happen to not be brain dead, there is a little thing in the middle which happens to be a notch. So you just put the bigger side on the bigger side.
I don't think I'm brain dead, so that's good.
Yeah. Some people are, and it is really hard to put it in incorrectly, but it can happen. Don't recommend it.
I wouldn't either. Alright, let's do this. Is that gonna be on? Oh no, it's not down all the way.
Yep, so just keep pushing. There you go. Should auto latch.
Perfect. No. Oh yeah, we got it. Beautiful.
So it's put that on the coolant bracket on there, because that's a little bit of a pain to get to when it's in the back, especially when it's a closed back. So rather than put it in and take it out, just put it straight in. Look at this nerd putting in the M.2 drive.
Yeah. Alright.
Is it wired on?
Yeah. I don't want to take it out. I don't have to.
So it should be this guy right here, and to face it this way. Now you put the armor back on. Yep, it will pop up like that. Just put the armor on. So you want to make sure that this is down before you put that in.
Yep. Very down.
And you're going to lock that in.
Oh, we're gonna have to. Oh no, we're good.
So you're going to...
We might need to. Oh no, we're good. Right,
yeah. Yep. And then you can bolt that back. That actually... Oh, it's gotta go here, doesn't it? Look at that, it's gone. It is hidden under there for a reason.
Mm-hmm. Final walkthrough of the setup. It took forever to complete, but we finally did it. We have the color changing mouse and keyboard, beautiful monitor with my boy, and also switches with Lamborghinis as well, because we're not choosing one. And this beautiful piece of machinery, which the case lights are supposed to be over here, but we face it this way. We have stuff over here. I'll fix it maybe later. I don't know. I love seeing this stuff. It's pretty. Thank you, Kyle, for forcing me to build one instead of buy one, and thank you, Davin, for helping me put it together. I appreciate both of you. And Kyle's friend, thank you for helping me with recommendations, because I am clueless. So to open it up, you have the power supply, you have the hard drive, that allows you access to the glass screen. You have the motherboard, the CPU under this part right here, the CPU cooler, which has these two RGB fans as well. We have the 2 slots of memory. We have stock fan, stock fan, stock fan there. Graphics card, we have the SSD card under this part right here, you can't see it. But that is the computer. Very expensive, very worth it. Oh, we can change colors because that's the best part. Gotta make it look pretty, right? It's the coolest thing ever. So thank you, boys. I appreciate it.